y'all, welcome back. If you've been following along on this little mini series we've got going on here in Marae of Taputapuatea, we landed, checked out the lodge, saw everything that was going on, even did a cultural exchange with some of the locals. That was a great time. This next segment coming up has a little bit of a different feel to it to start off with. We are visiting the Marae of Taputapuatea. So it's the sacred land. You know, very awesome experience, a unique experience getting to see this, visiting out there, actually setting foot on the Marae. Is just so much to learn. I guess the only way to really explain it or put it in words, it was kind of like a spiritual experience, you know, but yeah, pretty unique. Then we got to hang out with some of the local kids again. They showed us some stuff, taught us what they do during their schooling, and yeah, just another really cool experience. So check it out.
And now for this moment is the Papa Marae Hub, our ancestor in this place. He talk with you, and it's him to lead you to visit that place of our God.
Would like to tell you that we are very happy to receive you in that place. Welcome to Taputapuatea, because our Papa said it's a joy for us to receive you here, and it's a joy for him to explain you the history of that place. I'm very proud of him because he is one of our ancestors, and this place was writing in the World Heritage. Because of them, they are free at the beginning, and now he's only alone because two of them passed away, and today he's very old and he's tired because no more younger people come to study with him. But this place, he would like to say, this place, it's your place too. Hawaii, this island, is your island home too, because in our history, Raiatea Hawaii is the island of all Polynesian people around the world. When you move from here, you become Maori. Maori is the people who's moving, and when you come back, you become Maori, because it's your island home, and you come back to your island home. And he's very, very happy. And he say, it's not you who want to go to visit the Marae, but the Marae would like you to come. If you are here because the Marae need you, and not you to need the Marae. The Marae is waiting after you for a long time. And today, you'll be there. And we, people from here, are very, very happy to receive you here. And Papa too. And you're right here. Priors read the sacred text to you. And after you walk to the seaside, and you walk on the sea. Après le tombeau, in the ocean, there's a stone at 60 centimeters at the level of the sea. You go inside and stand and wait. The priors continue to pray. They call the sharks to be the gardener of this place. At Iri'u and Rufai, they arrive, those two sharks. They arrive, they go around. If they kick you or bite you, you never become king. If they don't touch you, okay, you don't walk on the land. The barrier comes to the sea and carry you here to this stone. And they put you inside. You are not king. And you say that to the notes. Because at notes, you have the tumbler and the lighter, the tonnerre,
The thunder.
the thunder and the éclair.
Lightning.
They must receive you to accept you to be king. And after that, he turned to the east. The east, the sun and the fish on the sea must accept you too. Third, you turn to the south, and the cold wind blows and make you dry. And after that, you turn to the west. At the west, the animals of the land and the people. And the people say, Huro Mavatiagi, Huro Mavatiagi, Huro Mavatia every time. And then you become king.
Whistle.
I'd walk sexy, but fall.
Whistle. Uh-oh. 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 There. Hey, hey. Yeah? One more down?
Oh, I see.
Normalement, tu le fais tout seul ou ensemble?
Yes, baby, you got it.
Do I?
Looks right.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh. Just over. Ciseaux. Répète. Very pretty.
Yeah, so that was the experience, you know, coming to the Marae here. Very unique, you know, to say the least. How about them drone shots, you know? Shout out to my guy, Latu, you know, from Aotearoa. He's got some guts the way he flies that drone, you know. I'm not quite comfortable yet to throw mine and fly to the places where he's getting his out there too. So yeah, that really helped the video, man. I appreciate that, bro. But yeah, y'all, you know, stay tuned because the next little segment of this series, we're going out to Motu Iri'u, one of the Motus out here in the islands, and yeah, some island Olympics. So you got that to look forward to. Yeah. So if you want the rest of the playlist, the other videos of us being here, then it's right here. And if you want to be generous and hit this button right here, as always, y'all, we appreciate you coming through. Till next time, peace.